Setting up NordVPN on your Android device is quick and easy. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to secure your internet connection, bypass geo-restrictions, and protect your privacy. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or using public Wi-Fi, NordVPN offers a solid defense for your data on Android. Step 1. Sign up for NordVPN. 1. Create an account, * if you haven't already, go to the NordVPN website, https://www.nordvpn.com, and create an account. Choose a plan, monthly, yearly, or 2-year, that fits your needs. * Once you've signed up, you'll have access to your NordVPN account. Step 2. Download and install the NordVPN app on Android. 1. Open the Google Play Store, * on your Android phone or tablet, open the Google Play Store. 2. Search for NordVPN, * in the search bar, type NordVPN and look for the official app published by NordVPN Technologies. 3. Install the app, * click on Install to download the NordVPN app to your Android device. 4. Launch the app, * after installation is complete, open the NordVPN app from your home screen or app drawer. Step 3, log into your NordVPN account. 1. Sign in, * open the NordVPN app, and sign in with the email and password you created during registration. 2. Permissions, * the app may ask for necessary permissions, such as VPN access, to ensure that the connection works properly. Accept all permissions for the VPN to function correctly. Step 4, connecting to NordVPN. 1. Quick Connect, recommended, * upon opening the app, you'll be greeted with the Quick Connect button. * tap Quick Connect, and NordVPN will automatically connect you to the best available server based on your location and server load. 2. Manually select a server, * if you need to connect to a specific country or region, example to access Netflix US or bypass geo-blocking, tap on the Server Locations tab at the bottom of the screen. * scroll through the list or search for a specific country, example United States, Germany, etc. * tap on the country flag to select the server you want to connect to. Step 5, Advanced Features for Optimal Use. 1. Enable CyberSEC, ad and malware blocking. CyberSEC is Norton's built-in ad blocker and malware protection feature. This will prevent you from accessing harmful websites and block intrusive ads. * to enable CyberSEC, * open the NordVPN app. * tap on the gear icon, Settings, in the top left corner. * scroll down and enable the CyberSEC toggle. 2. Activate the kill switch, for enhanced security, * the kill switch ensures that your internet connection is cut off if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, preventing your real IP address from being exposed. * to enable the kill switch, * in the settings menu, scroll down and toggle on the always on VPN option. 3. Choose VPN protocol, for faster speeds, * by default, NordVPN uses NordLynx, which is based on the WireGuard protocol, offering excellent speed and security. However, if you face connection issues, you can switch to OpenVPN or IKF2/IPsec. * to change the protocol, * tap on the settings gear icon. * scroll down and tap VPN protocol. * choose NordLynx, OpenVPN, or IKF2/IPsec based on your needs. 4. Use split tunneling, optional, * split tunneling allows you to route some of your apps through the VPN and others through your regular internet connection. This is useful if you want to use local services while keeping other apps secure. * to enable split tunneling, * go to settings in the NordVPN app. * look for split tunneling and toggle it on. * choose the apps you want to use the VPN for and which ones you want to bypass. Step 6, additional features to enhance your experience. 1. Obfuscated servers, for censored countries, * obfuscated servers are designed for users in countries with strict censorship, example China, Russia, or UAE, as they make your VPN traffic look like regular internet traffic. * to use obfuscated servers, * tap on settings in the app. * scroll down to obfuscated servers and toggle it on. * choose an obfuscated server from the server list. 2. Automatic kill switch, * you can set NordVPN to automatically disconnect from the internet if the VPN connection drops, ensuring your real IP is never exposed. * this option is particularly useful for people in restricted countries where staying anonymous is crucial. 3. Connect automatically on startup, *. For auto connect on startup, enable the auto connect feature so that the VPN connects automatically when you unlock your phone or restart it. * to do this, * open the settings in the app. * look for auto connect and toggle it on. Step 7, troubleshooting tips. 1. Connection issues, asterisk if you experience slow speeds or a failed connection, try switching servers. Choose a server that is geographically closer to you. Asterisk if NordLynx, WireGuard, ISNT working well, switch to OpenVPN or IKM2/IPsec. 2. App not connecting, asterisk ensure that you have allowed NordVPN access to your device's VPN settings when prompted, like the one below. Asterisk if the app continues to have issues, try restarting your phone or reinstalling the app. 3. DNS or IP leaks, asterisk to check for DNS leaks or IP leaks, you can visit a site like dnsleaktest.com to confirm that NordVPN is protecting your real IP and DNS requests properly. Final thoughts, by following this step-by-step guide, you'll have NordVPN running smoothly on your Android device, securing your browsing, streaming, and online activities. With advanced features like Cyber SEC, kill switch, split tunneling, and obfuscated servers, NordVPN provides top-tier protection, whether you're reusing public Wi-Fi or just trying to access geo-restricted content.